Church Bell English Stories Part 217. Live as if you were to live forever. Even if you live or disappear, the name must be remain forever. Dear friends, if you like the history in this section, please choose to like, share and subscribe. Now look at these pictures where we see Mahatma Gandhi, the father of India, freedom fighter. He is an exemplary leader. And further we see a picture of Chandragupta, who conquered all small kingdoms from the little princes. He was considered to be the first emperor of India. We shall begin now. Chandragupta Reign, Maurya Empire, 324, 187 BC. Chandragupta created a unified central government of India. After Alexander's invasion of northwest India, the region has faced a lot of unrest from foreign powers. In this region, Alexander the Great appointed Chandragupta as his commander. Chandragupta, a wise man, with the help of politically astute Chanakya Kautilya, defeated Dhanananda in 321 BC, seized his throne. He laid the foundation of the Maurya Empire in 321 BC. In 305 BC, he entered into a treaty with Chandragupta, in which Chandragupta conquered Pakistan, eastern Afghanistan, and the region west of the Indus. Chandragupta also married Niketar's daughter. Chandragupta avoided a full-scale battle with the mighty Chandragupta. Megasthenes was the Greek ambassador, was at the Chandragupta's court. He brought under his control the whole of present-day India except Kalinga and the southern parts of India. Now we will see Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, who is described as the father of the nation of India, is the greatest leader of the world. His role was immense in making the Indian nation, which was enslaved by the British, attain independence. Gandhiji's full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on the 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, India. He went to England and completed his education as a barrister. In 1893, he traveled to work in South Africa. Apartheid and racism were prevalent in South Africa at that time. This affected Gandhi a lot. Mahatma Gandhi in Indian Liberation War, he was a great freedom fighter who led the Indian freedom struggle. He fought against the British rule and the freedom of India. He led many protests like boycott of foreign goods, salt Satyagraha, non-cooperation movement, tax levy movement, white quit movement. Non-violence means Gandhi. Gandhi means non-violence. A freedom fighter who is considered not only by the people of India but also among the people of the world. Gandhiji is an exemplary leader, a symbol of non-violence. Beginning with his boyhood days, Gandhi details his trials and tribulations and circumstances of his life in his autobiography. Child marriage, his studies in England, his law practice in South Africa, and his Satyagrahas there. Writing the autobiography, he faces many trials to achieve what he feels is the absolute truth, the ideal of his struggle against racism, violence, and colonization. In the Bible, what did Jesus answer to Pilate, the governor of Jews, about his kingdom? In John, New Testament, chapter number 18:33. So Pilate went back into the praetorium and summoned Jesus and said to him, "Are you the king of the Jews?" Jesus answered, "Do you say this on your own, or have others told you about me?" Jesus answered, "My kingdom does not belong to this world. If my kingdom did belong to this world, my attendants would be fighting to keep me from being handed over to the Jews. But as it is, my kingdom is not here." So Pilate said to him, "Then you are a king?" Jesus answered, "You say I am a king. For this I was born, and for this I came into the world, to testify to the truth. Everyone who belongs to the truth, listen to my voice." Pilate said to him, "What is truth?" When he had said this, he went again out to the Jews and said to them, "I find no guilt in him." Thank you. Praise the Lord.